The small friend formula for subtracting 1 is equal to plus 4 minus 5. It can also be written as minus 5 plus 4. Let's have a look at this with the help of a few examples. 95 minus 1. Now we cannot subtract 1 directly as we don't have any beads touching the bar from the bottom on the ones place. So let's think of the big friend formula first. The big friend formula for subtracting 1 is minus 10 plus 9. As you can see, we don't have space to add 9 on the ones place as 5 is already there. So we will take help from the small friend formula for subtracting 1. Plus 4 minus 5. Answer is 94. 88 minus 13 minus 1. Now we cannot subtract 1 directly. So let's think of the big friend formula. Minus 10 plus 9. That can also not be used here. So we will take help from the small friend formula for subtracting 1, which is plus 4 minus 5. Answer is 74. 98 minus 3 minus 1. Again, we cannot subtract 1 directly, and the big friend formula for subtracting 1 can also not be used. So we will take help from the small friend formula for subtracting 1. We'll add 4, subtract 5. Answer is 94.